Friendship is a fundamental aspect of human existence, an intricate bond that has played a significant role in shaping our societies and cultures throughout history. As an author and an observer of human nature, I am constantly fascinated by the ways in which friendships develop, evolve, and influence our lives. This story is a journey through the history of friendship, an exploration of its timeless essence and transformative power. Friendship is a connection that transcends boundaries, a relationship built on mutual trust, respect, and understanding. It is a bond that has existed since the dawn of humanity, a cornerstone of our social fabric that has evolved alongside our civilizations. From ancient times to the modern era, friendships have been a source of support, companionship, and growth. In the earliest days of human history, our ancestors relied on social bonds to survive. In the harsh and unpredictable environments of the prehistoric world, forming alliances and friendships was essential for safety and survival. Early humans lived in small, tight-knit groups, where cooperation and mutual support were crucial. These early friendships were based on shared experiences, collective efforts to hunt and gather food, and the need for protection against predators and other dangers. As human societies began to evolve, so did the nature of friendships. In ancient civilizations such as Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, and Rome, friendships were often intertwined with social and political structures. In these cultures, friendship was not only a personal relationship, but also a social contract that carried significant responsibilities and expectations. In ancient Mesopotamia, for example, friendship was highly valued and often formalized through rituals and agreements. The Epic of Gilgamesh, one of the oldest known pieces of literature, tells the story of the friendship between King Gilgamesh and Enkidu. Their bond is a central theme of the epic, highlighting the transformative power of friendship and its role in shaping character and destiny. In ancient Egypt, friendships were also significant, particularly among the elite and ruling classes. Pharaohs and nobles often formed close bonds with their advisors and confidants, relying on these relationships for support and counsel. Inscriptions and letters from this period reveal the depth of these friendships and the mutual respect and loyalty that characterized them. The ancient Greeks placed a strong emphasis on the concept of philia, or friendship. Philosophers such as Aristotle explored the nature of friendship in their writings, considering it an essential component of a virtuous and fulfilling life. Aristotle identified 3 types of friendship: those based on utility, those based on pleasure, and those based on virtue. He argued that the highest form of friendship was one based on mutual respect and admiration for each other's character and virtues. In ancient Rome, friendship, or amicitia, was similarly significant and often linked to political alliances and social status. The Romans believed that true friendship was based on mutual goodwill and affection, transcending mere convenience or self-interest. Famous Roman figures such as Cicero wrote extensively about the nature of friendship, emphasizing its importance for personal and societal well-being. As we move through history, we see that the concept of friendship continued to evolve, influenced by cultural, social, and religious changes. During the Middle Ages, for instance, the idea of friendship was shaped by the chivalric code and the teachings of the Christian Church. Knights and nobles formed close bonds with their comrades based on loyalty, honor, and mutual support. These friendships were often formalized through ceremonies and oaths, reflecting the deep sense of commitment and duty that characterized them. In medieval monastic communities, friendship was also highly valued, though it took on a more spiritual dimension. Monks and nuns formed close bonds with their fellow religious, supporting each other in their spiritual journeys and communal life. These friendships were based on shared faith, values, and the pursuit of a common goal. The Renaissance period brought new perspectives on friendship, influenced by the revival of classical ideas and the rise of humanism. Renaissance thinkers such as Michel de Montaigne and Erasmus celebrated the virtues of friendship, considering it a vital aspect of human flourishing. Montaigne's essays, for instance, reflect on the deep and enduring bond he shared with his friend Etienne de la Boétie, highlighting the importance of mutual understanding and intellectual companionship. In the Enlightenment era, the concept of friendship continued to evolve, shaped by the intellectual and cultural shifts of the time. Enlightenment thinkers such as Voltaire and Rousseau emphasized the importance of reason, individualism, and personal freedom, which influenced their views on friendship. They celebrated friendships based on mutual respect, intellectual exchange, and the pursuit of common ideals. As we move into the modern era, we see that the nature of friendship has been further influenced by social, technological, and cultural changes. The rise of urbanization, industrialization, and globalization has transformed the ways in which we form and maintain friendships. In today's interconnected world, friendships can span vast distances and transcend cultural and geographical boundaries. One of the most significant changes in modern friendships has been the impact of technology and social media. In the past few decades, the advent of the internet and social networking platforms has revolutionized the way we connect with others. These technological advancements have made it easier to stay in touch with friends, share experiences, and build communities, regardless of physical distance. However, the digital age has also brought new challenges and complexities to friendships. While technology has facilitated communication and connection, it has also raised questions about the depth and authenticity of online relationships. The nature of friendship in the digital age is a topic of ongoing debate and exploration. As we navigate the balance between virtual connections and face-to-face interactions. Despite these changes, the core essence of friendship remains the same. It is a bond built on trust, respect, and mutual support. It is a relationship that enriches our lives, providing us with companionship, comfort, and a sense of belonging. Throughout history, friendships have played a crucial role in our personal and collective journeys, shaping who we are and how we experience the world. As I reflect on my own experiences and observations, I am reminded of the timeless and universal nature of friendship. It is a relationship that transcends cultural, social, and temporal boundaries, connecting us to one another in profound and meaningful ways. Whether it is the camaraderie of ancient warriors, the intellectual companionship of Renaissance thinkers, or the digital connections of the modern era, friendship remains a fundamental aspect of our humanity. In my own life, I have been fortunate to experience the beauty and richness of friendship in various forms, from childhood companions to lifelong confidants. Each friendship has brought its own unique joys and lessons. These relationships have provided me with support, inspiration, and a deeper understanding of myself and others. One of the most significant friendships in my life began during my college years. It was a time of exploration, growth, and self-discovery, and I found myself drawn to a group of individuals who shared my passions and interests. Among them was a person who would become one of my closest friends, someone with whom I shared countless conversations, adventures, and dreams. Our friendship was built on a foundation of mutual respect and understanding. We supported each other through the ups and downs of life, celebrating successes and navigating challenges together. The trust and loyalty that characterized our relationship provided a sense of stability and comfort, a reminder that we were not alone in our journeys. As we moved through different stages of life, our friendship evolved and adapted. We pursued our careers, formed new relationships, and faced various trials and tribulations. Yet, despite the changes and challenges, our bond remained strong. It was a testament to the enduring power of friendship, a relationship that could weather the storms and stand the test of time. Reflecting on this and other friendships, I am reminded of the importance of nurturing and valuing these connections. Friendships require effort, communication, and a willingness to be present for one another. They are relationships that thrive on reciprocity, empathy, and understanding. In today's fast-paced and ever-changing world, it is easy to take friendships for granted or to let them fall by the wayside. However, it is essential to recognize the value and significance of these relationships in our lives. Friendships provide us with a sense of belonging, a support system, and a source of joy and fulfillment. They enrich our lives in ways that few other relationships can. As I continue to explore the history and essence of friendship, I am struck by the many ways in which these bonds have shaped human history and culture. From the ancient epics to modern social networks, friendships have been a constant and vital presence in our lives. They have inspired art, literature, philosophy, and countless acts of kindness and bravery. The history of friendship is a testament to the enduring power of human connection. It is a story of resilience, loyalty, and love, a narrative that continues to unfold in our lives and in the world around us. As we move forward, it is essential to cherish and nurture these relationships, recognizing their profound impact on our personal and collective journeys. In conclusion, the story of friendship is a rich and multifaceted tapestry, woven with threads of history, culture, and personal experience. It is a bond that has evolved alongside our civilizations, reflecting the complexities and beauties of the human experience. As an author and an observer of human nature, I am continually inspired by the transformative power of friendship and its timeless essence. May we all continue to cherish, nurture, and celebrate the friendships in our lives, recognizing their profound impact on our journeys and the world around us. And may we always be open to the possibilities of new connections, embracing the beauty and richness of human relationships in all their forms.